guys, you watched another video. We are back in the garage. We're about to do a 350Z video today. I have not done any videos with this car in a long time. Reason why too is because honestly the last two 350Z videos did not do very good, which is also another reason why I was debating on maybe selling this car possibly. I don't know. I just need a car. As a YouTuber, we need cars that do good on YouTube and good for content. I thought the Z would do good. Honestly, the Z probably will do good on YouTube. I just gotta make more videos with it and more content with it. But I kind of have my eyes set on a BMW, guys. And I know a lot of you guys want me to get a BMW project on the channel again. The weather's been pretty crappy lately. It's raining super freaking bad. If you're in LA, you guys know the freeways are flooded, the streets are flooded, everything's really bad. But anyways, the weather has been like crap lately. So all I've been doing is just being online, looking up cars for sale, looking up F80s, looking up G80s, and I'm trying to find the perfect one, guys. This is very hard. There's not that many that I like right now. If I'm getting an F80, I want red interior and I want stick shift, and it's very hard to find that combo and a good price and good miles and everything like that. So it's kind of hard to find, so it's gonna take me some time to find the perfect F80. If I want a G80, you guys know that I really want the bucket seats, but everything with the bucket seats is really expensive. So if I don't get bucket seats, I really want red interior on that car too, just because it looks more luxurious, bro. I want red interior, whatever car I get next. Anyways, we're going off track now. Today we're gonna film a video with the 350Z. I'm actually gonna swap the seats to the stock seats, guys. I have the stock seats right there. I've been trying to sell them actually. I put them up on OfferUp. I've got a couple offers, bro. I was gonna let them go for super cheap. I'm kind of annoyed. Well, first of all, look. My cat is literally chilling on my seat. What are you doing, Stuart? Anyways, I want to put the stock seats in because we have the other seat. It's right there, the other NRG seat right there, but the seat bracket doesn't fit correctly, guys. We have two different seat brackets. I bought two of them and they both don't sit correctly. When I put the stock seats in, I can actually have working seat belts again too, because these ones I need to put the harnesses on. I have harnesses from NRG. I just haven't found the time to put them on. I need a harness bar, I need a roll cage or something to even put them on. But I've been rocking the Z with no seat belts, so it's kind of sketchy. But yeah, if we put the stock seats in, we'll actually have some working seat belts again. And we'll actually have two seats in here, so I can actually give somebody a ride or have a passenger. And then, since it's raining out and there's water everywhere, I think I'm gonna take the Z out to have some fun. You guys have seen in the past, I've tried to drift this car and it does not drift with the diff that's in the car right now. I wanted to weld the diff. I've been meaning to do it. I just haven't found the time to take it to a shop and have someone do it. We don't have the welded diff yet, so I'm gonna try to drift it again today in the rain. Maybe it'll make it a little bit easier. I have a buddy with the 350Z and he told me that I should be able to drift it. He's like, if you give it enough gas, maybe put it in second gear or something, it should be able to drift. So I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna really try to drift this car today. Every time we've tried, it feels like only one wheel spins or something like that. So I don't know, we're gonna try it again today. Oh, real quick, one last thing. If you guys wanna cop the 350Z merch, perfect time to talk about the merch. We got 350Z merch still available. We have a couple more hoodies, maybe like 5 hoodies, maybe like 4 white t-shirts, and maybe a couple black t-shirts too. Very low quantity, so if you guys want to grab one right now, because once they're gone, they're gone. You cannot get one of these again. Link down below, shopfindingnick.com if you guys want to cop the merch. We got the Z on the back. These hoodies are super comfortable, bro. I love it, and the Z looks sick on the back of the shirt. I'm still doing a big discount for you guys, 20% off the entire website, the entire merch, if you guys use code F80 at checkout. I put F80 because you guys know I really want an F80, so code F80, 20% off on the new merch. All right, before anything, let's clear up some of the mess so we can get inside the car and take out the seats. Should I do some tricks? I can't do no more things. Oh! Too rainy. Alright guys, we finally got the stock seats in. It actually looks a lot better on with black seats, I'm not gonna lie. Looks pretty good, bro. We just gotta do the headliner still in this car. I wanna black it all out with suede and then do the Starlight headliner. We're probably gonna do that in a future video. Probably, honestly might do it this week maybe. Since it's raining, the weather's not the best. Might as well do something to the Z. We're gonna take it for a drive now and get some content. I haven't driven this car in a while. Clutch doesn't come back on its own sometimes. And I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe some of you guys might know, but sometimes it's not engaging, but I think it is now. I let the car warm up. I've been pumping it a little bit And I think now it's working. Oh yeah, now it's actually shifting. But honestly, the interior looks way better now with all the new black painted stuff. Everything's black now. It looks clean, bro. Everything's black, even the seats. All right, guys, we're in the Z. This shit is a little crazy, bro. I ran around a corner right now and it was already drifting, bro. It's just weird. Like, it's very, very weird because I really feel like only one wheel spins. Well, I would usually do donuts right here, but it seems like there's too many people right now. Let's go somewhere else. Hopefully I picked up on camera, but that was fun. See, that made me want to keep the Z. That makes me not want to sell it at all. Like, if I weld the diff and just do that every day, that shit would be so fun, bro. I think right now it's drifting easy because first of all, I was in second gear like my homie told me to, and then also it's raining, so that probably helped a lot. But bro, that was fun. But one of my homies from LA is right here, so I'm gonna say what's up to him real quick. He's literally around the corner. No way, bro. My boy Andy. My boy came in hot. Damn, the Z looks good, bro. Look at that. How am I gonna sell it? No, I don't want to sell it.
See, that shit is Kia Boys for life, bro. How you been, bro?
Good, and you? You like the Z?
Hey, bro, you seen the way I swing that shit?
How'd you do that? You put the e-brake?
Bro, I pulled the e-brake, bro.
My boy Andy was right up the street from me.
Yeah, yes, Lord.
Does he look cool?
Clean, bro.
It actually looks good, huh?
That shit is clean as fuck. I haven't seen this shit in person.
I know, it's actually pretty nice, not gonna lie. It looks good. Bro, it looks good right now on camera.
No more than your grandma's nipple or what? This shit is clean, bro.
It's not bad, huh?
No, it's not.
You wanna buy it?
Nah. I got the Supra, bro. I gotta finish this.
I know. I'm thinking of selling it, but I don't know.
This looks like a bullet hole, dog.
It does look like a bullet hole. I got shot.
No, you didn't.
No, it's the antenna. I haven't put it back on yet. But
This is clean, dog.
it looks pretty good, huh?
It is really clean. It's cleaner in person.
What?
This?
Oh, yeah.
How'd you is that a sticker?
Yeah, put a sticker under the wrap.
That shit is clean, bro. You need
This
some
will
new
look brand
tires, my boy.
I know. I'm gonna go mess them up right now.
So you gonna go see this?
I did some donuts. All right, the homie Andy said he knows a cool spot to do some donuts, so we're gonna go again. He's gonna try to get an outside view so you guys can see from the outside, but I'm so glad this heater works in this car. It's hella cold, bro. I'm still sick. I'm getting a little better, but I'm still sick. I took this random picture. I'm about to post it on Instagram real quick. Literally an iPhone picture, but go like it, guys, on Instagram right now. Bro. All right, guys, we found another dead end. We're gonna try to do some donuts. My boy is drifting the Kia. It's hard to drift it with this car.
One?
Yeah, if you want. I'm gonna just do donuts or something. See? It won't do it.
Just go.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, huh? It won't do it, bro. Unless it's super wet, I think.
Yeah, but bro, you just gotta keep swinging it. You just gotta keep going. Just peg it. Just keep pegging it.
When it was wet over there, it was doing it easier.
It's starting to drizzle, bro.
Hopefully.
Damn, this is God's doing.
It's not gonna do it. This shit's whack, huh? I need to weld the diff, bro. This is a good street, though.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro, it's dead over here.
I'm gonna start coming here more often. Why are you smoking so much? Bro, it's smoking so much.
You're doing good, bro. You just gotta turn the wheel. Turn the wheel, just stay committed, just go.
It's just like, when I stop, I mean, when I'm doing it, it like straightens it out. It's so weird.
Fucking open diff, dog.
It won't do it, bro.
Yeah,
I'm telling you guys, it won't work.
This fucking diff, I swear.
I know.
Let's go weld it right now.
Sam said he'll do it too. I'm gonna try it one more time, guys. It's raining a little bit more, but damn it, I wish we came out this morning. This morning was raining a lot.
Once that diff is welded, bro, this thing would be doing numbers. Let's go, baby. There it is.
Alright guys, well, that was again kind of a fail. Every time we try to drift this car, bro, I just really need to weld the diff. I need to do it. I know that if I weld the diff, this is probably gonna be the funnest car I've ever driven. Watch. I already know. I'm gonna fall in love with the car. It's just a little sketchy, bro. Like when that little like diff or whatever, LSD, whatever it's called, when that shit like kicks in, it gets a little scary, bro. The car kind of wants to just go straight on its own. I think the more wet the floor is, the more easier it is, because it was drifting before. On that first donut we did this morning. Look at this guy, this shit was sick. Anyways, we might go to PQ right now. I don't know if it's gonna be a new vlog or this vlog, I don't know. But we're gonna head to PQ, I think, meet up with the homie Jay. I'm debating if I should take the Z or not. It's a kind of a long drive and it's raining, so I don't know if it's a good idea, but we'll see. Now it's raining. So the rain's a little sketchy, guys. I heard in LA it's actually flooded everywhere. So once we get to like PQ, I think it's more toward LA, it's probably gonna be hella flooded. This is probably not the best car to drive because these tires are pretty much bald, and the GTR probably also isn't a good idea. So I don't know what car we're gonna take. We might have to take the daily. And this car has no windshield wipers, bro, so it's hard to see. There's a big ass puddle, bro. Oh my god. Alright guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that cool little video. It's kind of a bit of a fail, but it was still fun regardless. The homie Andy came through. That was super random too, but I literally just kept trying to drift it. You guys saw it was smoking so much, but I think the alignment's so bad on this car that it's only burning rubber on like a little thin piece of the tire. It's getting so bald in just one spot. This car's not properly set up yet. I need to properly set it up for drifting, and then we can actually take this car out drifting. This car could be a very, very fun car to drift. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that cool little video. I just wanted to film something for you guys, and I was bored. I wanted to get out the house, bro. I've been stuck in my house, sick, and today I finally feel better. I'm still a little sniffly, but I wanted to get out the house. So that was fun. If you guys did enjoy today's video, smash the like button for me. Go cop the merch if you guys have not already. Shop FindingNick.com. Go use the discount code F80 for 20% off. But smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bro, look at my cars. What's gonna be next? What car are we getting this year? Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.